Here I have iPhone 14 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here to enable live, and now you can take live photos. So live photos is basically just like an ordinary photos, but they can move like it's a video or GIF or I don't know. So yeah, maybe it's kind of useful for like filling your memory space with lots of junk files. Nice feature. So like, because they weigh like much more than ordinary photos. So as you can see, when you just casually open these photos in gallery, they like slightly move and they then stay still. But if you hold your finger on it, they will move.
Can move like it's a video or...
So it's not only recording like video, but also it recording sound. So like when you hold your finger on it, it works just like a video. So I don't know, why don't you just record video instead, like taking live photo? I just don't get it, I don't know. But that's how it works. So you just open it, it moves. You hold your finger on it, it moves quite more. And yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.